Welcome to watch today's fresh home. In Melbourne's Brighton, St Ninians pairs refined simplicity with bayside living, showcasing custom design details like Curatd joinery and Iver's Brunswick hardware to create a calm, cohesive atmosphere. Located on Brighton's prestigious Golden Mile, St Ninians has undergone a remarkable transformation, reimagined by interior designer Curatd of Curatd. The renovation of a John Friedrich architect's original maximizes the potential of a compact block, effortlessly blending sophisticated design with a relaxed, bayside lifestyle.